So here we have the Ford Fiesta on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the middle at the bottom, we have the coolant temperature gauge and fuel gauge. And above that, we have the trip computer, which includes the total miles for the car. They are 34,468. Below that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change that information using controls on the steering wheel. So, as you can see, we have a navigation menu, your audio, telephone, settings, trip computer, and back around to the beginning again. And the buttons that I was using to do that are just here. We've also got stereo and phone controls underneath that. Over on the left-hand side, the stereo controls continue. We've also got speed limiter as well. And then in the center, we have the main touchscreen for the car. So this is where you can access your satellite navigation. We've done a video showing how the sat-nav works, which you can find on our website and on our YouTube channel as well. We come back out to the home screen.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
You can pair your phone within that menu, and then we have an audio screen as well, which includes AM, FM and DAB radio, Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly as well as making and receiving phone calls. We can come back out to the home screen and you have all of those options in front of you again there. We've got the main volume for the stereo. Beneath that, we have the air conditioning, so you can adjust the fan speed, the temperature, the direction the air is being distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, you can turn your air conditioning off, back on again. From here, we have our rear heated screen and our heated front screen as well. Underneath that, we have a 12-volt charging socket, USB input, and a 6-speed manual gearbox. And then beneath that, we can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows. We can turn our traction control on and off, and we can put the car in eco mode as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this ULEZ compliant car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.